Let's take a look at these examples. This time we're supposed to convert radians to degrees. First of all, please look at the notation. Sometimes you are going to have expression like this, pi over 3r. R stands for radians. Pi over 2 radians. So this is obvious that this is in radians. But sometimes when we talk about angles, you are going to see only pi or expression with pi. It automatically means that we talk in terms of radians. Anytime we talk about angles and we see pi, that's radians. So I'm going to use this formula this time. Degrees are equal 180 over pi times radians. This formula allows me to convert radians to degrees. So that's why I'm going to have degrees are equal 180 degrees over pi. Anytime I have pi, I can write always radians times pi over 3r, which stands for radians. Radian and radian will cancel out. Pi and pi will cancel out. That's why I'm going to have 180 degrees over, because I cancel this out, means that I divided this denominator by pi and this numerator by pi. That's why I will get 1 over here times 1 over 3. Next, I have to perform the multiplication. Numerator times numerator will give me 180 degrees. 1 times 3 is going to give me 3. 180 divided by 3 is 60 degrees. And this is the solution to my problem. 60 degrees is equivalent to pi over 3 radians. Let's take a look at the second example. Again, I'm going to use the same formula. We have degrees are equal 180 degrees over pi radians times pi radians over 2. Radian and radian will cancel out. Pi and pi will cancel out, and I'm going to have 180 degrees over 1 times 1 over 2. Numerator times numerator will give me 180 degrees, and I have 1 times 2 gives me 2. 180 divided by 2 is 90 degrees. 90 degrees is equivalent to pi over 2 radians. Let's take a look at the third example. I have pi. Again, I have formula. Degrees are equal 180 degrees over pi times pi over 1. Pi and pi will cancel out, and I'm going to have 180 degrees over 1 times 1 over 1. 180 times 1 is 180 degrees over 1, which is equal 180 degrees. 180 degrees is equivalent to pi radians. These are the answers to my problems.